Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. How are you doing? I hope everyone is doing well. And okay, by the way, my recipe for today is tagliatelle with shrimps. Very easy recipe and of course, very delicious. Our ingredients: coarsely chopped tomato, black pepper, fine chopped garlic, parmesan, chili flakes, salt, basil, lemon, shrimps, tagliatelle, olive oil. I'm gonna need also this small blender. While cooking our pasta, I'm going to prepare our sauce and then I'm gonna bake our shrimps. Okay, let's make our sauce. 3 tablespoons of olive oil, our tomato, half of our garlic, because I'm going to bake this with the shrimps, and half of the black pepper, chili flakes, a bit of salt, the basil, squeeze of lemon, and let's blend it. This is it. Now I'm baking our shrimps. Let's add the remaining garlic. Squeeze of lemon also into our shrimps. Our shrimps is ready. Now I'm going to add our sauce. I just lowered the heat so it won't get burned, the sauce. Cook a little bit, at least 1 minute, and then it's ready for our pasta or tagliatelle. Okay, let's do the plating. Okay, there you have it, tagliatelle with shrimps, garnished with Parmesan cheese and basil. Okay, my favorite part, tasting. My God. It's so delicious, guys. You got to try this and I'm sure you're gonna love it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. and see you in my next video.